Hey, here I am with the Redmi 13C and I'm gonna show you 5 the best features of the camera on this phone. So first of all, when you open this camera, you will be able to use the 50 megapixel mode that appears just right here on the right side. And next to this mode, we can actually get more details on our photos. So let's say that I'm gonna take the photo of this one, of this item. I have to catch the focus, tap on the shutter, and now when I open the gallery, I can actually find a lot of details, and also I can zoom in really close thanks to the HD preview. So as you can see, that's a great feature if you actually want to get a lot of details on your photos. There we go. Next, let's go into the normal photo mode, and from here you will have to click on these lines right here, and as you can see, we can enable the voice shutter. So now when you say this keyword, cheese, the photo will be taken. So you can take handless photos. You don't even have to hold your phone. You can just say the voice command and the photo will be taken. The next key feature will be the timed burst. So when you enable this option and open the settings, from here we can set interval. So now the photo will be taken for 3 or 4 seconds, and you can set the number of the photos. And now when you click on it, take a look. Each time the 4-second passed, the photo will be taken up to the 30 photos that you actually set up. Next feature will be actually available in the settings, so we have to click right here and you will have to tap on the settings icon. And now from here we can find option tap to take the photo. That's one of my favorite option in the camera, because now all you have to do is just to click on the screen to take the photo. Of course, let's remove this option. There we go. And as you can see, thanks to this option, you don't have to manually set the brightness level and the focus range. You can just click on the screen and your phone will automatically adjust everything. And after this, the photo will be automatically taken after setting up the best options. And the last feature will be linked into the power buttons. So if you really want to zoom in and out, I can recommend you to go to the settings. And from here, go to the volume buttons function and switch from the timer 2 seconds delay to zoom. And now when you click and hold the volume up button, you are going to zoom in, and with the volume down, you are going to zoom out. And that's basically it. 5 the best camera features on the Redmi 13C. And let me show you the last one, the most advanced feature. So if you want to record the slow motion videos on this phone, you cannot do this, right? But when you install the Gcam application, you will be actually able to go to the video modes and record the slow motion. So if you want to know how to get the slow motion on your Redmi 13C, I've got the video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you how to download and set up the Gcam on the Redmi 13C. So we can use search engine on my YouTube channel and type Gcam download Redmi 13C or Gcam install Redmi 13C. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.